guys, and what is up? So today I wanted to decorate my Skinny Classic planner for the week of the 14th through the 20th. My name is Annabelle. If you're new here, again, my name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all of social media. And like I said, we're just going to decorate a quick little planner, something really cute and adorable because I'm so excited. And the stickers that I wanted to use are one of these from Whimsy Luxe. If you've never heard of Whimsy Luxe, it is a shop by Mom and a Girl Plans, and her shop is so adorable, you guys. Like, if you haven't checked it out, you need to. She has 2 sticker books that are just absolutely fabulous, and I want to use one of these stickers. They kind of go together, but a part of me is like, no, they're so cute. I want to save one. So I'm kind of leaning towards this one. I think this looks a little bit more fall than the other one, and I definitely do want to use like some boxes. So I don't know if I have boxes that would match. This is a sticker book from Amber Plans Her Day, so I know that she has boxes in here. So maybe I can use some of these. Oh no, there's no more boxes. Okay, so what if I use some of these? I feel like these would be cute. So I think this will look good together, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna go ahead and use. Let me take my quick little screenshot. If you're like creating a YouTube channel or anything like that, it's good to take your screenshots of your planners like right before decorating them. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get started. Let's give it a go. So okay, there it goes. Not even gonna remove it. I'm just gonna get started and get going. I love Whimsy Luxe stickers. Like, she has the highest quality stickers I've ever used. Like, they don't even feel like normal. Oh no, I'm kind of like, okay, there it goes. It was like a little off-centered. Hopefully it's not too bad, but it looks a little bit better now. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this little pencil and maybe these cute little glasses to kind of fill up this space right here. Cute. Okay, so I'm gonna grab another one of these. I think just them being in random spots is what's gonna need to happen. So I'm just grabbing them, kind of going with the flow. Nothing special, something like that. I also do like this one, so maybe place this one down here somewhere. I don't know. You know, I'm just gonna layer that. I think that looks cool. Okay, I think that's good. Let me grab some stickers here. So I'm thinking this can go right here. What's nice about her sticker sheets is that you don't have to, oh look, I don't even have to use that bottom one. Oh well. Is that they're very, like, the way they come, you can literally make an entire spread with her stickers and just kind of call it a day. And you'd even have some leftover ones, so it's pretty awesome. So I think I'm just gonna kind of put them off to the side. I think that's gonna be my best option here. Just something like that, and then something small like right here. So maybe something like that. Okay, cute. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here. I kind of don't like the way these look, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove them, and hopefully it doesn't tear my page, because you know that can happen sometimes and it would be not fun. Okay, so her stickers just come right off, which is pretty awesome. Okay. Okay, kind of did tear the page a little bit, but it's not too bad. Okay. You know, honestly, I'm just going to leave it that way. I don't want to ruin the page. So I'm just going to grab this Uniball Signo to kind of white this out right here because you can kind of see the black peak a little bit. Okay, good. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I feel like the AirPods need to go next to the computer. Just makes a little bit of sense. The pen. I think this needs to go like this way, but do I have anything smaller? Okay, I'm gonna check. Yeah, cute. I think that fits the page pretty well. And then I'm gonna use this right here. And I think I'm gonna use the little calendar. And hopefully it fits. Yes, it kind of does. Okay, even if I have to cut a little bit from the bottom, but that's okay. I feel like that's not too bad. I think there was another little section that I need to cut off from the other side. I don't remember. Let me double check. Nope, I think we're good. Okay, so let me see if this fits up at the top. It kind of does. Okay, I'm gonna put it right there. It's fine if I have to remove a little bit. It's no big deal. Okay, cute. Okay, I love that so much. I think it looks adorable. I feel like I do need some boxes or something. So I don't know if there's only 2 boxes, but maybe I can use these right here. I feel like these kind of do match a little bit. So I'm gonna add just a couple boxes. So like right here, that looks good. It does kind of match. I feel like it doesn't look the absolute greatest, but it does kind of match. And then like right here, I feel like that needs a bigger box. I'm gonna put this one right over here. No, that makes no sense because of that. Okay, right here. Cute. This one can go right here. Okay. And this one right over here. And then we can do a small little box right over here. Cute. Okay, I think that looks adorable. I think it turned out really good. I didn't expect it to turn out this good. I was like there for a second like, oh no, it's gonna look terrible, but it doesn't look that bad. I think it looks really cute. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.